Hi guys, charity shop Gold or Garbage, Saturday the 14th of September, Keynsham today. Got a good example of random things turning up in charity shops here. This was from the Age UK store. Well, those of you who know what it is can see what it is, and those of you who don't know what it is will be totally confused. If I take the sticker out of the way, that might help. A CAN OBD scan tool. Maxiscan MS300. And at first glance, no information, apart from made in China. But it has been opened and probably used, and we have got the instructions in there. Ooh. And a CD. Ooh. Didn't expect that. I wonder what's on that. Do we want to know? The best solution to read and erase trouble codes of all 1996 and newer vehicles. So there's a fair chance that my car being, well, my car's 10 years old now. Yeah, 2015, I think mine is. Yeah, anyway, you plug it into your ODB socket. And it should read the codes for you. And then you need something that's going to tell you what the codes are. Standalone unit with no need for additional laptop computer to operate. To verify if the vehicle is compliant, check the vehicle's emission control information label, which is located under the hood or by the radiator. Should be designated OB2 certified. Oh, we might go and have a look. I'm really not sure whether I want to plug it into my car at all. But I thought I'd buy it anyway, just to have a look at it. Just having the little manual is handy. Especially as you've got a list of all the definitions or codes. Yeah, well, it calls them definitions. Yeah. Yeah, I've no real intention of doing anything with it. I just thought I'd buy it to have a look at it. And as I say, a good example of completely random things that will turn up. A couple of pages torn out there. I just think somebody had their personal data written on there for their car. And do I even want to put that into a computer? You never know what's on it. I would guess a list of other codes. That would make sense. But yeah, you just plug that into your socket. I would imagine it's powered from there and you don't need to put batteries in it. Yeah, there's no mention of batteries as far as I can see. Oh, there we are. Power 12 volt provided by the vehicle's battery, so it is powered from the socket. Yeah, that'll do.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.